Now to create the website with Canva, we are going to do 3 steps.
And it will take you to this page. Now click sign up for free. Then log in with your Google account. And it will take you to the Canva dashboard. Okay, once you have created the account on Canva, now you can choose the design for your website. To do that, here search for website. And you will get different website designs to choose from. If you are looking for a specific category, like an educational website or a business website, you can click on this drop down and choose the category. I'm going to choose this design, so let's check it out. And here you can see a preview of the design. Now to use it, just click customize and it will take you to this page.
Let's say you want to change this text. All you have to do is just select it and then enter the text you want. And it'll be changed. You can also adjust the size of the text by clicking here. If you click here, you will get different fonts to choose from. You can select the one you like and it'll be changed here. In the same way, you can change any text you want. I'm going to type about us and done. Next, let's see how you can change this image. All you have to do is just click on the image, then go to apps and click on photos. But you can see that we have got different images to choose from. Or you can also search for the image you want right here. If you already have an image that you want to add, you can directly upload it from your computer and then add it here. All you need to do is just go to uploads, then drag and drop the image here, and you can see that the image has been changed. Similarly, you can change the other images. Okay, next, let's see how we can create a contact section like this. We have an image, a title, and a contact address. To create a section, just scroll down and click Add Page. Then here we can add the content we want. Let's add an image. Just go to Uploads, then drag and drop the image here. And it'll be added. Next, let's add a title. Just go to Text. Let's drag and drop this heading text and type Contact Us. Alright, now to add the contact address, let's use the subheading text style and drop it here. Then remove this text and add your contact information. Okay, so now we have created the contact section. In the same way, you can create any section you want. Next, let's see how we can change this logo. To do that, just click on the logo. Then click the delete icon. And the logo will be deleted. Then drag and drop the logo from your computer. And it'll be added here. You can resize it like this. And it's done. Now, let's click preview and see how our website looks like. It looks pretty good, right? Alright. Click With Navigation. And the menu will be visible here. Alright. Now if we click on Contact, you can see it is taking us to the contact section. Then if we click on Our Journey, we are taken to the About Us section. Now since we have changed the title of this section from Our Journey to About Us, we also need to change it in the menu. So to change it, let's close this. Then go to our About Us section and click on it. Now if we scroll down, in the bottom left corner, you will find the notes. Just click on it. Then here on top, you can see we have this text. Just remove it and enter About Us. Once you have done that, if you click on Preview, you can see that it has been changed to About Us. Now if we click on it, you can see that it takes us to the About Us section. So this is how you can rename the menu items. Now if you want, you can see a preview of the website here. Here you will find different animations to choose from. If we choose the rise animation, you can see that the logo, text, and the image are rising up. If we use this pop animation, you can see that it pops out. So let's take them out here and choose the one you want. I want to choose this one. And in the same way, you can animate any element on your website. Okay, so now we have successfully the website. But before we move on to the final step, let me quickly tell you about an AI tool called Gravity Light. As a website owner, you might need to create content for your site, like blog posts, product descriptions, or even scripts for videos like this one. For Gravity Light, you can easily generate any type of content. Just answer a few questions, and there you go. You'll have a perfectly crafted content that suits your needs. No more struggling with writing from scratch. So if you want to save time and effort creating content, just like Gravity Light. Okay. Once we have finished a website, let's go to the final step, which is to publish the website. To do that, just click Publish Website. Click Get a New Domain. And here you will get two options to choose from. We can either publish our website using a free domain or using an existing domain. If you have an existing domain, you can click on this option. I will show you how to publish it using the free domain. And you can create up to 5 live websites on your free domain. So let's click Continue. And here you can enter the domain you want. I'm going to enter Swift Crafter and click Continue. Then here you need to enter the details about your website. Or to change the text, just click on the edit icon. To move this text, then enter the text you want. I'm going to enter Swift Crafter. Or to change the favicon, just click on it. Then click on the plus icon. Choose the image from your computer. And it will be added here. Now click Done. Let's see how we can change this URL. This is the website's URL, which will appear on the browser tab when we access it. Right now, you can see that this URL is quite lengthy because by default, it has included the template name with the URL. Instead of this, we can have a short URL like this, which is more clear. So to do that, just remove this text from here. Then just enter a simple name you want. I'm going to enter whom. Okay, after that, just enter a small description of your website. Now this description will appear below the title and the URL in the Google search results like this. Once you're done, click Publish. And there you go. Our website is now live on the internet. Now to view it, just click View Website. You can see we have a website that we just created. And if we click on About Us, it takes us to that section. Now our website is working perfectly, and anyone on the internet with this domain name can access the site. Once you have published your website, if you want to make any changes to it, you can do that too.